This is the main highway. I think you can actually the GT road bypass. This is the flyover. You can see it will be recently constructed, and now you can see our NIT Jalandhar. So this is actually main entrance of our NIT. So this is the security office. You can see this is how the NIT office is. This is just entrance, and immediately once you enter, then you will find a fountain here, and in this fountain we have this side you have security office, and there you have ATM of Indian National Bank and ICICI Bank here on the left side, and this right side goes to the residential side, and this side goes to your hostel actually. Hostel, and this side is your, this side goes to your parking, and where you have some garage also, institute garage, just to park the institute buses. So as on date we have 3 institute bus to cater the need of day scholar students, and this side goes to your hostel or your van building here, and this one I hope you can identify your open air theater. So this is your first roundabout inside the campus here. So here if you go to the right side, you will reach to the administrative building, and you can find this building in front here, small one. This is your central seminar hall. This yellow painted one is your new sec, and this side I can show you later on. We can go to the hostel side. So this side goes to your main football ground or playground, and this right side building is your gymnasium. So here we have inside of that 4 badminton court plus a gym actually. So anyone can use it actually. Its opening time is morning and evening, Monday to Saturday. So this is our central gym, equipped with the badminton court and all body fitness equipments. And this side, if you see, it's your ground actually, main ground of the institute. So you can see you might have played here cricket and football during your stay on NITJ campus. So this you can see from this side. So this is your main ground of the institute. So this you can see, this is your main ground, your football ground, your that extreme end is your cricket. I think at that time also it was cricket. Today also it is being used for cricket also. Another side of ground you can see all our hostels here. So starting from this end you have hostel 1 here, then this side you have 3, then 4 and 5. So several hostels are there on this side. So this is your main ground. So this is your main ground, and that side you can see the tree, that is the end of the boundary. And this side we have hostels. And if you see this side we will have our basketball court. So we are reaching there. So this one is our basketball court, and here in this actually in every court and a sports ground we have fitted this open gyms actually. So We are taking care of maximum thing of physical fitness. So these are various open gym equipments, and this is your basketball court. And inside of that also, this is previous one also. I think it is for football court also. So previously, everything was clubbed actually, basketball and football. So now we have another football ground actually. So as you will come out from this basketball court, you will find this student activity center. You did all indoor activity, and on ground floor you have a large hall for gathering or from holding cultural programs. And then in the one of the side you have a cafeteria, and this one is your student activity center. So this side you have a area for small gathering or program, and that side you have a cafeteria. So currently it is closed due to COVID-19. So this is properly known as the snackers. Now opposite to that you have the first gate. You can see it is your hostel number 1. So this might be there in the beginning actually. This is your hostel number 1. All hostels are closed due to lockdown actually. So this is your hostel number 1. And if you will go to this left side, you will get hostel 2, 3, and 5. So this side you have hostel 2, 3, and 5. So this is your hostel number 2, and opposite to this you have hostel number 3, popularly known as Bias Hostel. So this one is hostel number 5 now, completely for actually PG accommodation only. So this is your hostel number 5. This one at the back of hostel number 2. Now this one is your actually this side, left side you can see. This one is end of the boundary, and this end we have actually your Ravi Hostel, which is hostel number 4. So this is the building of hostel number 4. So this is Ravi Hostel. So this is hostel number 4, Ravi Hostel, and that one is the end of the boundary. And this side is your hostel 4 building. And now again this side goes back to your main administrative building. This you can see your old sports campus. Now it is not in use actually. And this side again you will see your hostel bay actually. So this side is also some, you can say, food stalls. Here you can find a variety of Punjabi, South Indian, and all North Indian food here. Apart from Main Institute of Bacteria, we also have this for other variety of foods, so students can enjoy the food whatever they like. And this side it will go here, and this is your main road, goes to your hostels, and there you find a big buildings. Those are called mega hostels, mega boys hostels, equipped for thousands of students. And this I think you can identify. This is biotechnology building. Previously, biochemical and chemical were combined. Now, biotechnology is the separate department and chemical is separate department. This is the building for biotechnology department, currently headed by Professor Ajay Bansal from our department. So this is our Mega Boys Hostel Block A. So this is equipped for thousands of students, and inside that side we have another is Mega Boys Hostel F. Rest of the blocks are under constructions actually. Those will be constructed very soon. In the center you can see the round one. This is actually a centralized mess and connected for both the blocks actually, and that taxing end is the end of the campus. And now if you turn over this side, this goes to again for your administrative block. For Mega Boys Hostel, the phase 1 you have block F and block A, which we have seen just now. Later on we will have future with block E and block B, and then we have here future of block D and block C. So currently we have block F and block A actually, block F, A and B. So this end goes to the block B actually. The front end was there for block A and F, and rest of the blocks need to come in future actually. So this block is your block B. So this particular block is actually block B. So this one is your hostel actually, hostel 7. So this one is the side, that is the extreme end of that. So, and that is the end of boundary. So this you can find, this one is your hostel 7 actually. So you have a new wing here, this side, so that is newly constructed. This side you have your overhead tanks and the empty space inside the ground here. So this is what you have. These are the overhead tanks, but they are at in your time also. This road is again goes to your administrative building or your academic section. So this side goes to your Mega Boys Hostel, and this is the hostel actually 6. So this one is your hostel 6. So this is your hostel 6, and this road goes to a lecture campus. So you can say one of the outer periphery of the campus here. This is, we have power station here, and this block which you can see here, this is your mechanical engineering block, and this side is we have another tuck shop just to have some tea, samosa and paratha, so fast food. So this building is actually your mechanical engineering department, and this side is actually your institute canteen. So it was the oldest one actually, and Here we have a newly constructed building, electronics, instrumentation and control department, and this is actually a newly constructed lecture complex. So here we have total 16 actually lecture halls, fully air conditioners with our digital and smart boards. So it's equipped with four lecture halls. 4 floors are there total. Total we have 16 lecture halls here. So this is that actually lecture complex building. These are your old lecture complexes. Now these are also air conditioned actually. So these were there previously also. So now all of them has been moderated to air conditioned one. And this side is our the backside boundary, and here we have the AC plant and one new mega girls hostel is coming here. So I will show you that also. This building is actually civil engineering department. Adjacent to that is our chemical engineering building, and right side of this is civil engineering block actually. So this completely is civil engineering and chemical engineering block to left side. Right side is civil engineering building. So this side is actually your water treatment facility. So we have sewage based water treatment, and this side we are using for drinking water treatment plant also. So we have completely we are modernizing our treatment facility actually in order to treat the water to a maximum purity level. This site of water treatment plant is under construction. Hopefully by the end of next year it will be completed. The work has been slowed down due to this pandemic situation. This side you can see that constructions of mega girls hostels is going on a very fast track. I think within 1 year this building would be over. And this side you have your Saraswati girls hostel, and that side you have the another girls hostel actually. So this side goes to again your main gate, and this side you have your Saraswati hostels, and this side you have your textile technology department, and this way you will find your main shopping complex, bank, post office, dispensary, and left hand side you will find your girls hostels and residential quarters. So this is your Saraswati girls hostel, adjacent to the textile technology department, and these are your residential quarters of this sites. This is front side of the Saraswati girls hostel, and the back side is the newly constructed block. You can see that this is a newly constructed block just to increase the capacity. Then adjacent to that there's another girls hostel. This one you can see that. So this is another girls hostel. Unfortunately there is no nameplate on this. I don't know which one it is. So this is our campus dispensary. So it is as it was earlier actually. Inside of that we have small post office. So this small corner you can find is actually your post office here. So this is our dispensary. To this side our bank, SBI, NIT Jalandhar. You can see the name is still there. Still it has not changed to NIT Jalandhar. We have SBI ATM, and this side we have a Vallabh departmental store, one NIT bookshop which is closed. Another one is a Canara Bank, and opposite to that we have a Bilka milk booth, this one. And this building is our institute guest house. It could be around, I think, 32 guest rooms. And this side, this left side goes to the residential side, right side goes to the main gate, and this side is a lawn adjacent to the computer science building. And this side again we can go to our department of chemistry here. I can show you the campus. So this is actually, you can say, this side is our chemical engineering block, and this is our chemical engineering department. So the lift construction is going on, and very soon it would be ready actually for operations, maybe by the end of March somewhere. From here, if you see, this small building is civil engineering block, and then the new taller one is electronics and communication engineering department. And this side, you see, this is another car parking here, and this road actually goes to your shopping complex and residential side of the campus here, and this side goes to the actually administrative building. So this side goes to your industrial and production department, and this side is your administrative building. So you can see our campus is full of greeneries. It is a wonderful campus actually. I hope it would be as beautiful as earlier. This is actually library reading room. I think it might be there in your time also. So this is completely a library building, equipped with several books, journals, e-journals. So all library is equipped with all modern tools and analysis here. So this is your actually central library of the department actually, with all books and journals, whatever is necessary, e-journals, e-books, hardbound, softbound, all of these are available in this. This is actually your main ground of the institute in front of main building. So this is and now this is your main building actually, properly known as gold milling, or you can say the administrative block. Initially it was equipped with electronics and communication engineering department, and now they have moved from here. So this is completely a administrative block now, and various offices here, a registrar, director, and all purchase sections. So this is your main entrance of your this administrative block. So this is what your is now your main administrative block is. This side goes to your hostel sides, and this side goes to your main building sides, and this side is your AC plant, centralized AC, and this big building is your new SEC building, student activity center, equipped with all indoor games. Plus you have a restaurant there, so a quality restaurant we have here is functioning from last 2 years. And this is a newly constructed science block. So practically we have here all science department, your math, your physics, your chemistry, and humanity departments. So all these departments are there in this block. So this block is known as science block here. So you can see from here, so here first floor is physics, second floor is chemistry, and third floor is actually humanity department. So this is combined sharing with all the department. So this building is IT building, actually a computer science department. So here you have, this is again 3 floor buildings for computer science department.